Students, today we are going to solve the brain teasers of chapter 13. First question. Plane figure which is not made of line segments is called circle. Number of diameters that can be drawn in a circle? Many. In this figure, x is the center of circle, then triangle xyz should be isosceles because xy and xz are radius and both are equal. Next, in this figure, radius of inner circle is 2 cm, then diameter of outer circle will be equal to, if this is 2, its diameter will be 4. This diameter is equal to radius of the outer circle. So to get the diameter of the outer circle, we will multiply this 4 by 2 and the diameter will be equal to 8 cm. E part, O is the center and OP, OQ are radius, OS also radius, that is PS and QR are joined. Now we are to tell PQ and RS. Yes, they always are equal. Next question. If length of a chord passing through the center of circle is 10 cm, the chord which passes to the center is diameter, that is we are given diameter equal to 10 cm. So radius of the circle will be equal to diameter divided by 2, that is equal to 5 cm. Next, what will be the width of the following circular track with inner diameter 10 cm, that is if this length is 10 and this outer one is equal to 14. We are to find the width of this track. Width will be obtained by subtracting the inner radius from the outer radius. If this inner diameter is 10, its radius will be 5 and this diameter is 4, then this radius should be equal to 7. So the thickness of this will be equal to, track will be equal to 7 minus 2, equal to 2 cm. Next question. If two circles of center O and C with radii 2 and 3 touch externally, what is the distance between their center? That should be equal to 2 plus 3, 5 cm. Next question. In the following figure, O is the center of circle with OP equal 4. We are to find QR. QR is the diameter of circle. Radius of circle is 4. So diameter will be equal to 4 into 2, that is 8 cm. Next question. In the following figure, name the line segment of equal length where O is the center of the circle. OA, OB, OC are the radius of the circle. So the line segments of equal length will be OA, OB and OC. Next question. You will do this yourself in your homework notebooks. I am just giving you a rough idea. We have to construct a circle of any radius. You will open your compass of any radius and draw a circle there. Now mark the center O. Now diameter AB. From the center you will draw a line which is passing like this and name it AB. In the same circle you will draw the radius OX, means draw a segment in this way. Now this is representing the radius. Then any chord AY, mark any point Y on the circle and join like this. This is chord AY. Now any arc XYZ, X, Y, mark a point Z here like this. You will show all these things in a single circle. You will do this construction using your compass. Now question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 cm. You all know how to draw. You do this yourself. Draw its diameter and measure it. Fourth question, one of the most important question of the chapter. Draw a line segment PQ of length 7 cm. At P, draw a circle of 4 cm. At Q, circle of radius 3 cm, and tell what do you observe. First of all, we will draw a line segment of length 7 cm. See, I have drawn this line. Make it sure the length of your segment should be exact 7 cm. And name this segment as PQ. Now at P, we are to draw a circle of radius 4 cm. We will measure this and draw a circle. Now at Q, we are to draw a circle of radius 3 cm. We will open our compass exactly 3 cm. Now from point Q, we will draw our circle in this way. Now we are observing that both the circles are just touching each other. That is the observation that we have to tell. After drawing and observing, we will write down the observation that the circles are just touching each other. Similarly, question number 5. You are to draw a line segment of length 8 cm and name it XY. At X, we have to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Again, we will make sure that length of our line segment should be exact 8 cm and the circle that we are going to draw should be equal to exactly of radius 5 cm. See, I have drawn this circle of radius 5 cm. At point Y, I have to draw a circle of radius 3.8 cm. I have opened my compass of radius 3.8 cm and I am drawing a circle now. See, I have drawn a circle of radius 3.8 cm. Now what do you observe? The circles are intersecting each other. So we will write the observation that the circles are intersecting each other. Now question number 8. True, false, write true or false for the following statements. All are very easy statements. Please try to do these questions yourself. And now question number 7. Look at the circle and answer the questions. Name any two diameters. You can easily give. How many chords you can do. Name any three radii. You know how to name the radii. Any two arcs. One semicircle. All the questions are very simple. Please try to do this yourself. It's your homework to complete brain teasers of chapter 13. Thank you.